Here we go.
Left-handed, so I think I need to come in with an angle like this.
Okay, just a quick smack. Here goes Will killing the biggest scorpion I have seen at Superstition. Pretty scary. He's got his shoe.
Fuck. This is not cool.
Get closer, Will. Get closer.
Oh, motherfucker.
You got him. Now just smack him another couple times. Where'd he go?
Right here. Just get him. Just, I need something to... Shit, I can't get him in the corner. How do you get him in the corner? This guy's a horse.
Blockbuster case. Oh my God.
Oh shit, I missed it.
Did you get him?
I think so.
He looks split apart.
I think I got it. And I think I broke the Blockbuster case.
Oh, I'm not worried about that. Let's see. What else can you test it with?
Some guts.
Hit him one more time since it's broken.
Oh, shit. Yeah, but... Okay. Give me something else.
All right, we're going to look for something else that Will can hit. He's gone.
I think he's gone.
Okay.
Wow.